Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to C++ tutorials. In this video you are going to learn about do while loop in C++ program. Remember, in the previous lessons we covered almost two types of loop in C++ program, where we learned about for loop and while loop. Now do while loop is similar to while loop. Only difference is that the statements in the body of loop are executed at least one, even if condition is false. Remember, in the while loop, the statements in the body are executed if and only if condition is true. But here, these statements are executed at least one time, even if condition is false. So let us see the key characteristics of do while loop. Right, the key characteristics of do while loop. First one is this one: it runs the body continuously until required condition is fulfilled. That's what you call looping. To mean it runs loopily continuously until the condition is fulfilled. The second characteristics is this one: the statements in the body of do while loop executed at least once. Either condition is true or false, as we already seen in the previous slide. And now it's used to perform looping operation, of course, and when condition will be false, the execution of loop will be stopped. Right? It means that when it starts looping and condition become false, in that case our execution will be automatically stopped. So also let us see the general syntax. Do while loop. You see, this is the syntax of do while loop. We start with a keyword do, then open curly brace. We create the body of our loop, and then close curly brace, and finally write the condition in while keyword. Right, as you see, the condition comes after the body. Right, to mean that's why first time it can execute whenever condition is false. So in order to understand well how do while loop works, let us do an example. Yes, now let us write this C++ program to print numbers from 1 to 10 by using do while loop. In this time we are going to start with variable initialization. Let us int I, which is equal to 1. Right, then with our statement, you know that about do while loop we start with do keyword. Then after do keyword we have to open and close body of do while loop. Right, after open, our body will now have to display the value of I. Right, we have to write south I, then we can put here space like this. Yeah, right. Then after print our I, we are going to make I increment so that can start from 1 until to 10. That's why here I must be increment here like this. Then after this we have now to come here below of the end of our do, and then write while, then condition. As we have seen in the syntax, our I must be less than or equal to 10. Right, yeah, like this. So as you see here, we will display first time before checking condition, because we start with do, then automatically see out I without check whether I satisfy the condition. Then I will be increment. After I increment at this level, we check now whether I is less than or equal to 10. To mean that even if this I is not less than or equal to 10, at the first time already will be displayed. Then for second time is when we will check whether I is satisfied the condition, right? So let us make a compilation to check whether there is some errors. Yeah, you see there is no error. Let us run our program to check out an output. You see, this is our output. It counts numbers from 1 to 10, right? So this is how you can use do while loop. Please, for yourself, in the comment section, try to write C++ program that print numbers from 10 to 20 by using do while loop. And if you meet with any problem, please tell me in the comment section. I will give you a response. So thank you. See you in the next video.